How can I get rid of the unpleasant smell caused by possums in my home or backyard?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our guide on a problem that many homeowners face. Have you noticed an unpleasant smell coming from your backyard or inside your home? It could be that possums are the culprit. These critters can create quite the stink. Today, we're going to discuss ways to effectively get rid of the unpleasant smell caused by possums.
What causes the unpleasant smell?
First things first, we need to understand why possums can cause such an unpleasant smell. Possums are marsupials with a well-developed sense of smell, which they use to find food. These critters have their habitats in trees, but they often invade human premises in search of food. They usually leave behind urine and feces, which can cause the bad smell. Also, if a possum dies in your home or yard, the smell of decay can be quite strong.
How can you locate the source of the smell?
Locating the source of the smell is your first step in getting rid of it. If you suspect a possum, check for signs of their presence such as droppings, tracks, or nesting materials. The smell will be strongest where the possum activity is most concentrated. This could be your attic, under the deck, or around your garbage cans.
How can you get rid of the smell?
Once you have located the source, you can begin the cleaning process. You should first clean up any visible mess, such as droppings or leftover food. Wear gloves and use a bag to dispose of the waste. Then, use a mixture of bleach and water, 1 part bleach to 10 parts water, to clean the area. This will disinfect the space and help to neutralize the smell. Remember to air out the space well after using bleach. For smells that persist after cleaning, or in hard-to-reach areas, commercial odor neutralizers can be very effective. Just make sure the product you use is safe for your home and family. In the case of a dead possum causing the smell, the body will need to be removed. This is a job that might be best left to a professional, as there can be health risks associated with handling dead animals.
How can you prevent possums from returning?
To keep your home and backyard smelling fresh, prevention is key. Here are a few things you can do. 1. Secure your trash. Possums are often attracted by food waste. Make sure your garbage cans are securely closed to keep possums out. 2. Seal off entry points. Check your home for any holes or gaps where possums might be getting in. Seal these areas off to prevent further invasions. 3. Consider possum deterrents. There are numerous possum deterrents available in the market, including motion-activated sprinklers and lights, and ultrasonic repellents. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to get rid of that unpleasant possum smell in your home or backyard. Remember, the key is to clean the affected area thoroughly and take measures to prevent future possum invasions. Thanks for watching, and here's to a fresh-smelling home.